Today I'm gonna do two new surprises. First, a toy gun, and I'm also gonna make a new intro. Every video is gonna be like this with a new toy gun. So it usually has real bullets, so like this, and then it blocks the way out of the real bullet. It blocks the way out of the real bullet. See? So like this. And the real bullet is trying to get out, but look what it does. And look at laser, have a laser. Let me show you. The laser gave me an idea of this video. And why? Because I have a laser. That's why it's gonna be the main idea. Because I have a laser. That's why the laser. Is the main idea. And you're gonna see me do the laser a lot in my videos. You know, it doesn't look that with me, but it's so cool. It doesn't look that on the camera. It doesn't look that by me. By me, it looks better. So great by me. Can't believe how great it looks. And my light isn't white for some reason. It's actually yellow by me. Weird of the video. So weird. I have a little light. I mean, my white light. It's kind of weird because I have yellow light. But yeah, probably my channel is not, not 1 year old. You know that, guys? My channel is not 1 year old. So don't judge me that I'm not a really good YouTuber. Because I'm not 1 year old. And that's pretty much all my surprises video ever made by me.